this video learning series of AutoCAD. Today we are going to learn various zoom tools that are available in AutoCAD. We have this drawing open here. We are going to use this drawing to understand various zoom tools. The zoom tools are available in the zoom drop-down, which is here in this navigation bar. If I click on this down arrow, you can see a list of zoom tools. The first one in this list is Zoom Extents. So click on this option. What happened? All the entities that were on the screen are now zoom fitted to this drawing area. Suppose I'll create a circle here at the bottom of the sketch. Now I'll choose this Zoom Extents option. Before choosing this Zoom Extents option, let me drag that circle so that it does not appear on the screen. Now I'm going to use this Zoom Extents option again. Now you can see this circle and the entire sketch. So by using this Zoom Extents option, all the entities that are present in the drawing are zoom fitted to the current display area. The next tool in this list is Zoom Window. Click on this option. The command line prompts you to specify first corner of the window. I want to zoom this area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a window here. You can see by specifying the window, we have zoomed the entities that actually got enclosed within that window. So to use this zoom window tool, you have to make sure that the entities that you want to zoom should be enclosed within that window. Third option is Zoom Previous. Previously, we used the Zoom Extents option to zoom fit all the sketched entities into the screen. And after that, we used this Zoom Window option and that got us here. Now I am going to click this Zoom Previous option. You can see it took us to the previous step where we had used the Zoom Extents option. Next tool in this list is Zoom Real Time. Click on this. Now press and hold your left mouse button and drag the cursor up and down to zoom in and zoom out of the drawing. Keep in mind, you have to press and hold the left mouse button while using the Zoom Real Time tool. The next option in this list is Zoom All. Click on this tool. What Zoom All does, it zooms the drawing display area to the set limits. Next option in this list is Zoom Scale. So click on it. The command line says enter a scale factor. I want to magnify this drawing by a factor of 2. So I'll type 2 here and press enter. So the drawing is zoomed by a scale factor of 2. Zoom Center. Click on this option. Now the command line says specify center point. I'll click here to specify the center point. Now I have to enter the magnification factor. So I'll type the magnification factor as 1.5 and press enter. You can see the drawing has zoomed by a magnification factor of 1.5. Next thing, Zoom Object. I want to work on this staircase and I want it to be displayed all over the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this Zoom Object option and this time I'm going to select this staircase and press enter. You can see that this staircase has zoom fitted into the screen. Next thing, zoom in and zoom out. If you click on this zoom in option, you can see the drawing has zoomed in by one step. If you click this zoom out option, you can see the drawing has zoomed out a step. So these are the zoom tools that are available to us in AutoCAD.